Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Teresa, and in this channel we do cleaning and organization videos. So if you're interested in such kind of content, kindly hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification so that you can always be notified whenever I post content. Today we're going to be doing cleaning video where I'm going to be cleaning my white fox leather headboard, which is right behind me, and I'm also going to be showing you how my seats turned out after 1 week and a few days post mold clearing. So we're going to see how that worked out and if they're still holding. For the cleaning, I'm going to be using different DIY solutions, and you're going to be seeing which one works best. So stay tuned and let's begin the cleaning. So this is a white fox leather headboard, and as you can see, it has tons of scratches. Leather paint is coming out already, so I'm going to be fixing that with white nail polish. You'll see how it turns out, and also we are going to do the cleaning. The first solution for the cleaning, I'm going to be using alcohol, and I'm supposed to be mixing water and alcohol, but because I do not have alcohol, I'm going to be using the sanitizer. It normally has 70% alcohol, so I'm hoping that is safe enough solution to use on the leather. So let's begin. As you can see, there are some, let's say, food color, some pink food color, I believe, on the leather board. So I'm going to start with that and see if it will come out. And here it's coming out. So the next thing that I have on this headboard is ink. I'm not so sure if it will come out. And as you can see, I'm really trying hard, but the ink is not coming out. So, and that's a failure. And the next thing that is really bothering me is on the leather folds. This brown looking, let me believe it's that. So that is something else I really need to get rid of. If you look very closely, you'll see that there is that accumulation on the folds of the leather material. So unfortunately, the alcohol could not get it out. That is my hand sanitizer, could not get the fold dirt out. So I believe that we are just going to move to the next solution. The next solution I'm going to use is vinegar, and I'm using water and vinegar mixture, that is 50 water, 50 vinegar. So I'm going to mix that. So let's try out the vinegar mixture. I'm going to also try it on the ink and also on the fold dirt that is accumulating within the folds of the leather. What do you think, guys? What other solutions have you heard of or have you used successfully? Comment down below. So according to me, I think the vinegar mix is just removing the superficial dirt, but still the ink you're not successful with, and also the dirt on the folds of the leather still not successful. As you can see, we still have some browns on the leather and on the folds. Because the vinegar mix is already removing some of the superficial dirt, I say first to clean the entire headboard with vinegar mix, and then after that I'll find a better way to remove the stubborn dirt or grease, whichever thing you want to call it. After cleaning with vinegar, I made sure that I dried the entire headboard so that we do not have any vinegar residues remaining on the surface. Just take caution in case it can spoil the leather. So before I move to the next solutions, I decided first to go in with the white nail polish to cover up the scratches. I'm going to do the first coat, and then definitely, because I know it's not going to do it justice, I'm also going to do several other coats until I am satisfied with how it turns out. As I waited for the nail polish to dry, I also did my nails. Now the next solution is Colgate. So I decided to brush the leather with Colgate. I was so amazed by the fact that straight away it removed the ink. I don't know if you guys can see, but we have a winner. Now let's try the brownish folds dirt. I can already see it coming out. I don't know if you guys can see, but I'm pretty sure you'll see it clearly once I wipe. And there you go, super clean, every single brown removed. And we have our winner. We have our first winner, and I'm saying first winner because I'm going to try another solution, which I believe it's all going to be a winner. What do you think, guys? Comment down below. Guys, look at that, the ink is totally gone. Totally gone. So so far the first coat has dried, that is the nail polish coat. So I'm going in with the second coat, and you'll see how it turns out as we proceed. Now on to our fourth and last solution. Guys, put your hands together for lemon and bicarbonate. So bicarbonate, guys, for those who don't know, is baking powder. And this is going to be our next winner. So guys, I need you to look so keenly at how the lemon cleans that place out. And there we have it. There we have it. Our browns are removed. Okay, you'll see it clearly once I wipe. And there it is, our second winner. Wow. Then we have our shining white. Not even a hint of brown. So guys, those are the only solutions that I tried. You can very clearly see that how one side where I have cleaned with the lemon and baking soda how it is super white, and the other side you can still see the browns. So one issue I had with the lemon is because it has so many residues or dirt which is, you know, attaching on the leather just before I clean with the wipes. So I decided to go with the Colgate. Watch to the end where I'll be showing you how my coaches turned out after 1 week and some few days after I had done the mold treatment procedure. So stay tuned. Hope you enjoy this. So this is after cleaning half the headboard. So as you can see, one half is super shiny and white and the other one is dull. So it's working. I'm going to finish the rest of the headboard. Guys, this looks wonderful. I don't know if you can tell the difference from when we started and now that you're finished with the entire whiteboard cleaned and all the scratch marks covered. So after cleaning, due to the wetness, some of the scratch marks where the paint had not yet come out, you can still see them. But I believe that after drying, after the headboard has dried and everything has gone back to normal, everything is going to blend out. And finally our headboard has dried and it's looking all white and clean. So let's now head on to the coaches. The last time you saw them, they were super clean and dry after I had done the mold treatment and I left them outside to dry for 2 days. But now our solution did not work. So this is how it turned out. We still have mold regrowing. This is so unfortunate, but you're not going to give up. So I'm going to try a new solution, and this time around, you guessed it right, I'm going to try vinegar and water 50-50. So let's go and mix vinegar and water, then after that you're going to sponge it down, and wait for it to dry. So stay tuned guys, I'm going to update you again on my next video, which should be next week. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any extra solutions that you think I should try and I haven't tried in this video, kindly comment them on the comment section, and I'll be happy to try them for you.